In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rules in Outlook Desktop and New Outlook. Whether you're using the web version or the desktop application, creating rules is an efficient way to automate and organize your email. So let's dive into the step-by-step process for setting up rules in Outlook. First, we'll start with the web version of Outlook. Begin by navigating to the Microsoft Outlook website. Once there, you'll need to sign in, so click on the Sign In button. Enter your login details carefully on the Sign In page and then hit Next to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard. Look for the settings icon, which usually resembles a gear symbol. Clicking on this icon will open up a submenu. From here, you need to select Mail. Under the options for Mail, you'll find Rules, and this is where you'll be able to start creating new rules. To add a new rule, simply click on Add New Rule. This is where you begin tailoring the automation to suit your needs. The first thing you'll do is set a condition. Conditions are essentially the criteria emails need to meet for the rule to apply. Think about what you want to trigger the rule. Is it an email from a specific sender, or perhaps messages with a certain word in the subject line? Once you've set your condition, it's time to decide on an action. Actions determine what happens to emails that meet your condition. You might want to move emails to a specific folder, mark them as read, or even forward them to another email address. With both a condition and an action in place, the next step is to run the rule. This step ensures that your rule is up and running. Then don't forget to save your changes. Saving is crucial as it confirms that your new rule is active and ready to manage your emails automatically. Now, let's transition over to the Outlook desktop application. The process is pretty much identical to the web version, which really simplifies things. Start by opening the Outlook desktop and head to the top right corner where the settings icon resides. Click on it to access the settings menu. Again, select Mail from the list and then Rules. Creating a new rule on the desktop works exactly the same way. Click on Add New Rule, set your desired condition, decide on an appropriate action, run the rule, and finally save these settings. This keeps the rule operational in maintaining your email workflow. By following these simple steps in both web and desktop versions, you can effectively use rules to streamline your email management in Outlook, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you become more organized and efficient with your emails.